I loaded folks in, but look, somebody ended up under. Something I'm learning, this is Dot, that I had theorized and am almost definite on now, is that quail that are friendly with humans are absolutely beasts to other quail. Dot is running around just trying to peck other people's eyes out. That's like your MO today. That's just like what you want to do. And this little friend got really sick of it. So, and this little friend is just trying to hide. You're cute. You're a gentle little friend to Quail, but look, as soon as I get close, well, no, you're doing okay. Sorry about the lighting. Actually, I could fix that. The plant light overhead is like UV. So, yep, I guess that's where that bird wants to be. Who is very skittish and doesn't really want to be touched by humans, but is pretty gentle with the other quail. And so would be good for being around hens. Whereas Dot is just a bruiser that's trying to brutalize even the other roosters that are not even mature. So, as cuddly as Dot is... Hi! You're noisy. That was the brown one. What happened? Nobody touched you. What happened? I don't understand. Peep peep. So yeah, Dot's a bruiser to everybody but me. And the mini grow out pen is half complete, but you know, it only needs to be less escapable and cat proof. Cat proof? That's not what we want, is it? So, yeah, I don't know. Dot's the fastest growing bird, but also the meanest, apparently, to everybody but me. And then, whoever you are, your sad bird is sad, basically. Oh, you crow too. I've never heard Dot crow either, but we can't have somebody that's just going to go around all the time trying to pick everybody's eyeballs out for no reason. Like, that's not how that says. That's not okay. Are there leftovers down there? Are there? Yep. Well, that's what's going on this exact moment. Isn't it? Should I put you back in here or should I put you down there? You might be safer down there. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, well, we'll catch up soon. Take care. Thank you for visiting the Cliffside Quail indoors. This has been Permaculture. Take care. Bye.